The tires have been mounted, and today we're going to take a closer look at my new wheel setup. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Paul, and over the weekend I found some time to get my tires mounted to the new AGP wheels that I just received. I took it down to the local shop, had the guys pulled off the TPMS sensor from the old wheel setup and then mounted to the new wheels. And then from there, they actually finished up with mounting all the tires and then mounted that setup on the car. So feedback, so far it's been riding well. Noise level is louder than before, definitely, I can tell. It kind of sounds like a wheel bearing going out. At least that's how I kind of interpret that sound. But you know, once you're on the inside, cruising along with music on, you don't even notice the sound at all. The stiffness is pretty much the same as the previous tires that I had, the KO2s. I mean, I went over a few bumps, but I couldn't really tell the difference. One positive note I should mention from this new setup is that I am no longer getting that vibration from 60 to 70 miles per hour like I was getting with the previous TRD/KO2 combo setup that I just removed. This new setup actually runs way better, and the vibration is actually no longer there. The guy did go through and calibrated or balanced the tires and the wheels just to ensure that it is balanced properly. And then once I took the car out for a test drive, it was perfect. No vibration along the full range from 0 all the way up to 80 miles per hour. Aesthetically, these tires look really beefy. I mean, they're nothing compared to 35s, but this one, very close to a 33-inch setup, looks like it's got that very aggressive look, but not overly aggressive. So in my opinion, that's actually where I want to be today. I would love to have 35s, but I didn't want to have to worry about body mount chop and cutting up the front bumper, and along with maybe re-gearing. I just want to keep this simple because I do most of my drive on pavements. Although next year I plan to do more camping trips, I'm not going to be doing any rock crawling. For the most part, it'll just be on dirt roads, possibly roads with a little mud or roads with some snow. So far with this 40 miles that I've driven, the car rides phenomenal, and I highly recommend this to anyone who's looking for a mud terrain tire, who wants that extra capability in the mud or the snow or the sand. I personally think this wheel setup and combo suits the 4Runner really well. I didn't have a problem with having them mounted. They are truly balanced and hub-centric. All right, guys, that is it for this video. This is my new current setup that I'm going to be riding for the next few years here. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section if this is something that you might consider, or if you already have a set, let me know how you like them so far. Again, these are the AGP TRD replicas with the Yokohama Geolandars, and I'm gonna ride them out for the next few years, and then I'll give you my feedback after 2 to 3 years. Again, guys, like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.